Hey everyone, welcome to Zone of Tech. I'm Daniel, and yeah, you can probably tell that a few things have changed. And no, that's not just my haircut. So as you can see, I have three monitors behind me, and this one, well, this one is actually a 4K monitor. This is actually the best 4K monitor that you can get at the moment, and I'll probably do a video about this thing maybe in the next few weeks. So yeah, thumbs up for that. And until then, this is an iPhone 6. And this is not just any iPhone 6, this is an iPhone 6 running iOS 9 because, as most of you probably know, iOS 9 has been released. It's out, well, at least for developers. So if you're a developer, you can get your hands on iOS 9 Beta 1 basically from today. Otherwise, you'll have to wait until September when the official release is out, or until July when the public beta is out. Now, in order to become a developer, you can either get an invitation directly from Apple, or you can buy a developer account, which is basically $100 now. So it's really expensive for pretty much everyone. And yeah, the only option is to wait, or is it? In this video, I'm going to show you how to install iOS 9 on your iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch without the need of having to pay $100 to be a registered developer. So basically, I'm going to show you how to install iOS 9 for free. So let's take a look. Okay, so step one is to back up your iPhone, just in case something goes wrong, you don't want to lose all of your data. So you can do this via either iTunes or iCloud, although I do suggest doing this via iCloud. So simply go to Settings, iCloud, Backup, hit Backup now, and wait for your iOS device to complete a backup. And yes, you do need to be on Wi-Fi in order to do this, and it will also take a tremendous amount of time. It took me about 25 minutes. Step number 2 is to download iOS 9. So I've included a link in the description, so simply click that, wait 5 seconds for the ad to finish, and then click skip ad. Now simply choose your device for which you want to install iOS 9. So in my case, I'm going to choose iPhone. And as you can see, some devices have multiple versions of iOS 9 available, like the iPhone 5S or the iPhone 5C, for example. So in order to find the right model number, simply take a look at the back of the phone where it says Model A. And that's the iOS 9 version that you need to download. So go ahead and do that, download iOS 9, and by the way, you have to be on Chrome in order for this to work. And now the download has completed, and you have an iOS 9 zip file. So unzip it, and now you have the iOS 9 IPSW file. And finally, step number 3 is to install iOS 9. So connect your device to your computer, open up iTunes, then go to your device by clicking the top left device icon. And now what you want to do is hold the Option key on a Mac or the Alt key on a Windows and click check for update. Now select the IPSW file that you've just downloaded before, and yeah, that's basically it. Now your iOS device is being updated to iOS 9. And by the way, this took me about 20-25 minutes to complete, so yeah, it is a lengthy process. Okay, so the installation has finished, my device is now rebooting, and we are now in iOS 9. So you can see that the font is different. It's also pretty laggy, and all the iOS 9 features are here. Low power mode, the new multitasking, the new wallpaper, proactive Siri, spotlight search, everything has been updated to iOS 9. And if we go to settings, yes, you can see we are now on iOS 9. How cool is that? Okay, so if you followed all of these steps and you were lucky enough not to encounter any errors, well, now you have iOS 9 installed, working pretty much flawlessly, except for the beta bugs, by the way. Now, if you did encounter some errors, they were probably one of those two things. So the first one is that you got your device bricked, and the second one is that you got the activation error from Apple telling you that your device's UDID hasn't been registered. So as I mentioned before, this technique works now, but in a few days, few weeks, few months, it might not work. So that's the reason why you might be getting that activation error. Now, if your device got bricked or you got an infinite boot loop, I actually did a video on how to fix that, and I'll leave the link in the description box down below. Otherwise, if you got the activation error message, well, I'm still going to show you how to fix that. So what you want to do is head over to the link in the description box down below. Go ahead and open that up, wait a few seconds, and click skip ad in the top right corner. And once you're on this website, click buy, and you can purchase a developer registration for just a few bucks instead of paying $100. Also, don't forget to use the coupon ZOT20 and you'll get a 20% discount. And yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, there you go. This was my tutorial on how to install iOS 9 on your devices. So thank you all for watching this video. Be sure to give this video a like if you have enjoyed it, and if you managed to install iOS 9. Let me know in the comment section down below if anything went wrong, if you managed to install iOS 9. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comment section down below. I also have a lot more videos in the works. One of them is how to install watchOS 2 on our Apple Watch, again without the need of a developer ID, and the process is quite a bit different than on the iPhone, so you definitely don't want to miss that. So yeah, be sure to subscribe to my channel and also turn on email notifications if you want to see all of those iOS 9, OS 10.11 and watchOS 2 videos, because I have a lot of them in the works. Thank you all for watching this video. I'm Daniel and I'll see you in my next one. Zen of Tech, signing out. Cheers. Hey everyone, welcome to the Zone of Hey everyone, welcome to the Zone of Tech. I'm laughing because in my previous video, in my unboxing and first impressions video of the Apple Watch, I said the word box like 50 to 100 times. And now we have another box. So let's try and see if we can break that record. Let's try and hope for, I don't know, a million? Let's try and say box a million times. Hey Bruce, can you please stop closing your doors? Thank you. So yeah, enjoy the video.